Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this yummy pepper puf that you are seeing. Can you see how it looks like? Oh, okay, yummy. Wonderful. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in again from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you all. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, be a part of this humble family, so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And we will upload this soon again. On this channel, we do a whole lot of things. We are into cooking, baking, decorating, anything fryable. Help me to share the video in all your platform. If I have access of posting this to you, I will do so. So you watch and make yours in your home. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I will take my time, introduce them one after the other, so that you can make yours and have amazing results. This is all purple flour. Feel free to share the measurement in my description box. So this is a warm water, not hot, not cold, just like warm. So this is a sugar, this is a pepper I'm going to be using. Wow, have you eaten puf-puf with pepper before? It's really amazing. But I'm not going to be using everything. Guys, are you a lover of pepper? So take the amount you think that will be okay for you. And if you are making it for kids, make sure it's not too much. Make sure the pepper is not too much. So this is the amount I'm going to be using for this particular video. But in case if you are a lover of pepper, you can use more than that. So this is the vanilla flavor I needed. And this is a yeast. So this is a salt. Not really much. So this is a nutmeg. So this is a microfiche I'm going to be using to enjoy this puff at the hands of it, guys. Do you enjoy this in your school, especially when you are in your primary? If you do, let me know in the comment section below. I do. Oh, I don't joke with it. So I'll transfer the warm water into a bowl. The next thing, I will add in the yeast. I'm using 1 sachet and 1 level teaspoon. But feel free to check it in my description box. I'll go ahead and add the sugar. I'll give it a gentle stir. So I will cover it and I'll put it aside for 4 to 5 minutes. So while I work on the scotch bonnet pepper. So the next thing, guys, I'll add in my flavor to it, my nutmeg and salt. I will stir it again. I will cover and leave it for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, guys, I'm going to be using a wooden spoon and I will add the flour straight to the liquid. So I'll continue to turn or continue to mix it just like this. And this one will take me about 5 minutes. Mix it until it becomes dry. That is when you get a better result. At this point, I'm satisfied with the wooden spoon. I will finish the job with my hand. So before you transfer your hands into this, guys, make sure your hand is thoroughly clean. So I will just drop a drop of water because I want it to a little bit more lighter than what I am seeing now, but not really more, just a drop. Can you see how it looks like now? So take your time to work on this. So I've already added the pepper at this point. So my camera didn't catch it there. I didn't know it was off. So can you see? That is why I zoom it so that you can see it right inside it. So can you see how it's dropping? How the thickness, the lightness, how it looks like? So once I am fully done here, guys, clean up the edges and I will cover it thoroughly so that it will rise. So I will leave it for 45 to 50 minutes. So in case if you are cooking, you can take it close to your gas. It will help it to rise more faster. In case if you are not cooking, just take it close to any one place. So I have started preheating my oil. So the oil is already hot. So when I'm making Puf-Puf, I love to put just 2 pieces inside the oil for the first time. The first one that comes out, I'm not too satisfied with the results. So once I am done with these 2, I'll put it aside. So dip your hands into a warm water. Guys, at this point, make sure your gas is low. Start with a low heat. Once you see that the color has started changing, you now put it in a medium heat. Once you see that it's almost ready, you can now hide your gas. Guys, have you liked this video? If you have not liked this video, go ahead and like the video. Encourage your girl, your sister to do more. It will also help the channel, guys. Like the video. Don't watch this video without liking. Please go ahead and like the video and also help me to share this video. Share amongst your friends. Don't you think it will be helpful to them? Have you shared to anyone since you have started watching? If you have not done so, please do so. Also subscribe to this channel so that you can see the next one that we are going to be uploading. Once again, I appreciate you for your time for watching. So see you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.